that smell? What's that smell? Did you fart? You did, didn't you? I know that face. Wow, that smell is so bad.
Ew. Oh my dear Lord, what did you eat, Brownie? And you don't even flinch. Oh my God, you stink. My God. And I'm wearing a mask. Yeah, you, Mr. Father. What do you eat, Brownie, that you're farting so stinky? Huh? What? Don't look down. You know you were the one that farted. Yeah, now you're going away. Uh-huh. No, don't come here. You stink.
What are you saying? Stinky butt.
Behold in the distance we have sweet Muji. We've taken him to the park. Hopefully he will take a great poop here. We want him to shit. Muji? Muji, will you please defecate? Please release your bowels, eliminate them somewhere in this park.
Release the Kraken.
Release, thank you. As Todd says, release the Kraken, which is, code for your turds. Your turds are Kraken. That's a euphemism if I've ever heard one. Muji, you seem very distracted. We just want you to shit. Please, Muji, give us the poop. Muji, give us the turds. We want the environmental DNA spread throughout Washington Square Park. Please, Muji? Oh, you little old man, you. I love you.